2008 plus Scion XB. This will also be the same for other Toyota 2.4 engines. Removing the intake manifold, replacing the knock sensor. So before you do anything at all, just go ahead and remove all the paneling right here. It looks crazy, complicated or whatever, but it's actually very, very easy. You take the windshield wipers themselves off. There's a 14mm socket just at the end of the windshield wiper blades. Pop those up, pop the windshield wiper blades off right there. Then there's these plastic trim pieces. There's one from each side that run across the top. Take those off, throw them off to the side. And then you've got this metal panel where the windshield wiper motor is and everything. And there's a series of 10mm bolts. Like right here, right here, right here. There's two here. There's one up here. And then there's like 3 or 4 over here. You can't miss them, they're super easy. Pop all those out. And that thing will just pop right out. And then you have all the room you need to work on the intake back here, including removing the intake. If you want to remove it completely, you have to disconnect the fuel rail and set it off to the side, and then the intake will come right out the top. Super easy. It'll take like 10 minutes. Now the knock sensor, why I had to take this one apart, is a little more complicated. You don't have to take the intake out. You just have to unbolt it and let it lay back, and then you have just enough room to get your hand down in there to the 12mm nut that holds it on, and then replace it. And then that's it. I don't know what engineer decided to build this as stupid as they did, but I swear they were laughing at us going, oh, wait till they have to replace the knock sensor on this behind the intake. It's the only way you can get it is from the top with the intake out of the way. There's no other access. So it's about a 2-hour job for the first timer. Of course, I mean, you have to remove the intake piping and all that. Well, that's it. Hope that helped somebody, because I could not find a video anywhere.